Greg, if I told you in the next 3 years there's going to be a job deficit of 2.4 million skilled trade workers, why do you think so many people are uninterested in such high demand roles?
I think the best way for me to approach that is in my own career. You know, initially building wasn't in the cards for me. I had high grades. I think people look at it like construction might be something that isn't for people with high grades. I had high grades. I had college scholarships. I went to the university, and the number one thing as I look back over the last 20 years, the one thing I wish I would have done sooner was get into construction. I've managed different businesses. I've managed office settings, different situations. I find with construction, there's a lot of similarities. You know, whether managing people is managing people. The difference is when I get into construction, I'm able to kind of take the reins on myself. You know, you don't have, oftentimes when I felt I worked for big corporations and companies, I felt like you were trying to take something to the next level or trying to do your best, you were either met with opposition, or when something needed to change, it was like trying to turn a freight train, you know, or you're trying to steer a cargo ship. Like you weren't able to, for me, it wasn't satisfying. You were held back from doing your best. And what construction's done is it's given me the opportunity, I think, to choose my office setting. You know, how many people pay a lot of money to be up here and enjoy this for vacation, and I get to work in it every day. Up here, I've got every week, you've got a different scenario and a different setting. You're right in the middle of the leaves changing colors. You're in the middle of spring. You get all 4 seasons. And the other portion of it is you get to choose your team. Not everybody gets to do that. If you're working for a big corporation, you can't help who's in the cubicle next to you. And when you're managing 60 people, I'd rather manage them along a road like Moonshadow and build something spectacular versus, you know, manage a row of 60 cubicles.
Right.
For me, it's a choice. There's so many opportunities. I don't know anywhere where someone can go in with a couple of years of experience and have the ability to open up their own shop, do their own thing. Like
anywhere else, you're climbing the corporate ladder, right? You've got to do your time. It takes years and years. And even then, you don't have the tangible work that you get to see the results of. I mean, we're walking around today interviewing all these different tradesmen. They all seem proud of what they're doing. They all seem engaged in what they're doing. And they seem happy to be, I mean, I'm sure they walk into a place like this and the feeling, I can't imagine what that feels like, to have that sense of fulfillment out of it.
Hey guys, this is Will with Prefab TV. If you like this video and want to see more like it, click here. If you want to see the full episode, click right here.